only one that really knows. Be the peace of Christ after your search is through. When you find your trust has been chasing you, believe me, I understand the vision of your mind, but I'm so afraid that the girl you find may not need a man like me. I don't want to lose